So you can see here that I'm already inside a Google Meet meeting, and let's say that I want to invite more people. So in order to invite more people, you can go over here onto the meeting details, and then over here there's the joining information. There's a link given which you can copy and then send to someone else. So what that link is it's this link on the top itself. So they'll be able to paste out this link onto their browser and then join the meeting. The other way to join the meeting is to go around over here onto the people icon right here where it says show everyone. So if you were to click on here, then you have an option here to add in people. So if I were to add people right here, you can enter their email address. So I'm just going to go around and type in, let's say, for example, YouTube channel at gmail.com, just like this. And what you can do is you can add the recipient just like this, and you can like send them an email. So what happens is that the same link is sent to them as an email. So an email is sent, an invitation is sent to that person, and what they can do is they can access the email, they can open up and join the meeting. So as soon as they click on the link and join the meeting, what happens is that they join in just like this, and you can see right here that this is how it seems. So they can access the meeting link right over here, and then you got two participants right here. So they'll be able to see you and you'll be able to see them. So in my case, I'm logged in with my same account to show you how this actually works out. So they can enable their webcam as well, and you'll be able to see them side by side just like this. So you can have as many participants as you want, just like that. And then you can start communicating with each other just like that. So that is how you can add people onto a Google Meet meeting. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.